computer viruses, malware, spyware, Trojan, and worms. And all this term repair into something? And the answer is technically no. There are different. We're gonna go what different is are, what is how it spread, or what is this thing to do your computer. So maybe this have a curiosity, or it can help protect your computer going forward. The first term we can go over, for simple, which is malware. And this repair any and all kind of malicious software. Malware is computer code designed to disrupt, disable, or take control of your computer system. It comes in many forms, usually hidden in another file or disguised in the harmless apps. It works by taking advantage of technical flaws or vulnerabilities in your hardware, OS, and software. What is malware? Malware comes in many forms. Ransomware, a locked-infected system until the victim pays ransom to unlock it. Credential stealer, or used to get username and password for email and the other accounts. Banking Trojans is more specific, targeting your banking username and password. Keyloggers can record your keys stroke to get your password and account number, and more. A hacker can use a set of software tools called rootkits to get control of your system with the cryptocurrency miner. And a hacker can take over your computer to generate cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. If you want willingly install a banknet, your computer become a part of network infected system used to some spam and launch large-scale attack. To activate most malware require a key ingredient, people. Attacker must find ways to trick people into running a malicious file, opening an infected file, or clicking or unsafe web link. That's why is stopping malware. Start with people. Learn how to protect them. Proofpoint.com. This next video we learn what a computer virus is. How does computer virus operate? And last, how do computer viruses spread? So let's go started. A computer virus is a malicious program that self-appreciates by copying itself to another program. In other words, the computer virus is spread by itself by to other executable code of document. The purpose of creating a computer virus is to infect all vulnerable system, gain admin control, and instead uses sensitive data. Hacker design computer virus with malicious intent prey on online user by tricking them. One of the ideal method by which viruses is spread through email, opening mail by attachment in the email, visiting an infected website, clicking an executable file, or viewing an infected advertisement. Cause the virus to spread to your system. The sign that infection also spread while connecting with already infected removable storage device, such as USB drives. How does the computer virus operate? A computer virus operates in two ways. The first, as soon as it lands in a new computer, it begins to replicate. The second type, plays dead until the trigger kick. Start the malicious code. In other words, the infected program needs to run to be executed. Therefore, it is highly significant to stay shielded by installing your robust antivirus program. How do computer viruses spread? In a constantly connected world, you can construct the computer virus in many ways. Some more obvious and another. Viruses can spread through email and text messages attachment, internet file download, and social media scam link. Your mobile devices and smartphone can become infected with mobile viruses through shading app download. Viruses can hide, disguise this attachment of socially shareable content, such as funny images, greeting cards, or audio and video files. To avoid contact with the virus, it's important to exercise caution with surfing the web, downloading files and opening links and attachment. Never download texting or email attachment that you're not expecting or files from website you don't trust. Different type of computer viruses. Boot sector virus. The type of virus can take control when start or boot your computer one way. It can spread plugging by infected USB drive or external hard disk can to your computer. Web scripting virus. This kind of virus exploit the code of web, browser and web pages. If you access such a web pages, the virus can infect your computer. Browser hijacker. This type of virus hijack certain web browser function and you maybe are automatically directly to a known unintended website. You search the web. Resident virus. This is a general term for any virus that inserts itself in a computer system memory. A resident virus can execute anytime when operating system is low. Direct action virus. This virus comes into action when you execute file containing a virus. Otherwise, it remains dormant. Multipartite virus. This kind of virus is infect and is spread in multiple ways. It can infect both program files and system sector. Macrovirus. Macroviruses are written in the same macro language used for software applications. Such viruses spread when you open infected document, often for email attachment. Rootkit virus is a type of malware that installed an authorized rootkit on an infected system, giving a hacker a full control of a system with the ability to fundamentally modify or disable function and